Hey guys, it's shot replacement day, but we've run into a problem. Stick around to find out. Bye. He had to use the airbags to lift the truck up. What was the bags at? 0. Oh. Getting there, I wonder how much it's at. Ooh, yay! One down, 3 to go.
Exhaust pipe right here.
Yeah, it looks comfortable, don't it?
Got like oil everywhere.
Ooh, it's all over your arm. Let me grab something. He had to let a little air out for this one.
You get my knife?
Yeah, where is it? On the table?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Was it got like a... What happened?
Finger.
Oh my god. You need a band-aid? Okay.
I'm hungry.
That didn't take long, did it? Or maybe, what, not even 10 minutes? That little mat's come in handy.
Ooh, yeah.
No?
No.
I was wondering what you were doing.
There's even worse.
Golly, that's bad. Yeah, they definitely need to be replaced, didn't they? You're always getting dirty, ain't you, Winnie?
Get that one out of there. If I get the bottom one.
These gonna take longer, aren't they? Too far? Oh, warm, ain't it?
Yeah. That's the one we need. Alright.
Oh, it needs to be longer? Got a lot of stuff in that bag, don't you? Never know when you might need it, huh? You got one in this blue tote down here?
Nope.
No. Gotta check the old YouTube. Gotta make do with what you got, huh?
He said use a 21. I have a 21, but it's in my toolbox. Back in storage.
Oh. That ain't gonna do you no good today.
It's a good auto. You're gonna put the camera down.
Is it working? Slow.
Yeah, I mean, there's a gap right there now.
That working better? Oh, it's moving. You need me to hold it again? It seemed to have been better switching them out, didn't it? Yay! It's gonna be as hard to put in as it was to take it out.
Probably.
Oh, good Lord.
See.
Oh no. What are we gonna do? Or what are you gonna do?
Should be. What am I supposed to?
She ain't gonna know what to do with the new ones.
Jamming that nut up.
Houston, we have a problem.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All done. Now taking her for a test spin. Bouncing as much.
shifting.
Took that pothole pretty good. Or the manhole cover. It's like it glides now.
Seems like it rides better.
Yeah, it does ride better. Still bumpy, but you don't feel it like it every little bump anymore. That's good.
This road just sucks anyways.
Yeah. That's all, folks. That MacGyvering he was trying to do earlier wasn't doing the trick, so he said forget it and went into town to Tractor Supply and bought a replacement bolt for it and worked like a charm. Well, we'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.